Welcome back to Lo Sbrano. Now this is what you call a Mexican pizza. This time I decided to make a pizza full of flavor, a little bit chili, and it has a lot of ingredients, so be prepared to make a list if you need. And make sure you have 2 free beers next to you because you'll need them. It's not very difficult to make a pizza, but one of the most important things that you should know are what kind of ingredients go under the mozzarella and which ingredients go on top of the mozzarella, because otherwise almost certainly will ruin the taste of your pizza. But don't worry about it for now. I'm here to share with you all my secrets, and I'll be more than happy if you can learn something from this video. Okay, now let's see what this Mexican pizza is made of, and if you like it, please just hit the like button, that will be much appreciated. Okay, now let's see what kind of ingredients we're gonna need to make the Mexican pizza. Chili salami. You can use normal salami if you want, but for this occasion I will use chili salami. And that will be like 40 to 60 grams. Then 125 grams of mozzarella, from 40 to 60 grams of red onions. Fresh sausages we'll use like 60 to 80 grams. Chili red peppers, you can use as much as you like. Semolina flour for the stretching of the dough. And last but not least, our pizza dough. We start as usual by using a lot of semolina flours underneath and on top, and we start stretching our pizza dough. Never use a rolling pin. And if you want, you can watch my video on why you should never use a rolling pin. And you use your fingers. Left hand comes from the middle to the side and pulls. And the right hand pushes and opens all the 5 fingers. When you find enough space to use your hand, just do like so. Then both hands. Don't forget about the semolina flour. It should be a lot of it underneath and on top. And keep doing the same thing until it reaches like 50%, 60% of its full size. Then we come on the edge of the table. You leave it fall like 40% as so, because otherwise it won't stretch to its full size if you keep rotating on the middle of your table. So come on the edge of your table and do the very same thing that you done earlier, and quick enough you'll find out that your pizza will reach its full size. Now we'll use like 40 to 60 grams of pomodoro salsa. First of all, we'll put a salami, chili salami. Then mozzarella. Red onions. Fresh sausage. And last but not least, fresh chili. And voila! I just want to say thank you for watching my videos. As usual, if you have any doubts on how to make your own pizza at home, please just leave a comment below and I'll make sure to respond and help you make the best pizza you can. From Lo Sbrano, till the next time, bye bye.